So here we are, January 12th, 2019, and we got a mother-loving snowstorm. Power was out for a couple hours. Ameren got it back up. This is basically what we got. I think we got like a foot of snow, and it's still snowing pretty good. I don't know if it comes out in the video or not. The problem I'm thinking is going to be is like these tree limbs hanging over these trees or over these power lines. I think it's going to wind up being a problem. But anyway, power's back on for now. Man, it's deep. This is probably the biggest snow we've had in several years. Lots of tree limbs down all over the yard, and lots of them look like they're still probably going to come down.